Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you 7 traditional Bulgarian Christmas Eve recipes. Simple, meatless, and wonderfully aromatic. Let's get started. Recipe number 1, stuffed cabbage leaves with rice, meatless. Ingredients needed for approximately 20 sarma. Pickled cabbage leaves, 1 large cabbage, approximately 20 leaves. Rice, 250 grams, 1 1/4 cups. Onion, 2 heads, approximately 200 grams. Oil or olive oil, 60 milliliters, 4 tablespoons. Carrot, 1 piece, approximately 100 grams. Spices, paprika, 1 tablespoon. Mint, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt, to taste water or cabbage brine, approximately 500 milliliters. Preparation method. 1. Preparing the cabbage leaves. Separate about 20 leaves, cut large ones in half, and trim the thick veins. 2. Filling sauté chopped onion and carrot. Add rice and cook briefly. Season with paprika, salt, black pepper, and mint. Add water and cook until the filling is half done. 3. Rolling the sarma, place 1 to 2 tablespoons filling on a cabbage leaf and roll tightly. 4. Arranging and cooking. Layer cabbage leaves in the pot, arrange the rolls tightly, cover with more leaves, add a little water, brine, press with a plate, and cook on low for 50 to 60 minutes. Nutritional value per 1 sarma. Calories, approximately 75 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 11 grams. Fat, 2 grams. Protein, 1 gram. Fiber, approximately 2 grams. Recipe number 2, bean stew, meatless. Ingredients needed for approximately 6 servings. Dried beans, 500 grams. Onion, 2 pieces. Carrot, 1 piece. Oil, 4 tablespoons. Garlic, 3 cloves. Tomato paste, 3 tablespoons. Spices, savory, mint, black pepper, salt, bay leaves, optional, hot paprika, celery. Preparation method. Preparation of the beans. Soak overnight, drain, add fresh water, and discard the first boil. Cooking simmer in approximately 2 liters water. Add chopped carrot, onion, and celery if using, and cook until the beans soften. Sauté bays, meatless. Sauté onion in oil, add garlic, paprika, and tomato paste, then add to the beans. Finishing season with savory, mint, bay leaves, salt, and pepper. Cook 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens. Nutritional value per 1 serving. Calories, approximately 260 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 40 grams. Protein, 12 grams. Fat, 6 grams. Fiber, approximately 12 grams. Recipe number 3, stuffed peppers with beans and rice, meatless. Ingredients needed for approximately 10 peppers. Dried peppers, 10 cooked beans, 400 grams. Rice, 120 grams. Onion, 2 carrot, 1 olive oil, 4 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons spices, savory, mint, black pepper, salt. Preparation method. Preparation of the peppers. Soak dried peppers until soft, then clean and drain. Preparing the filling, sauté onion and carrot. Add rice, tomato paste, spices, and cooked beans. Mix until the filling is well combined. Stuffing and arranging. Fill each pepper with the mixture without pressing too tightly. The rice will expand. Arrange the peppers in a baking dish. Pour over 1 cup of warm water mixed with 2 tablespoons oil and 1 teaspoon tomato paste. Baking. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 40 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until lightly browned. Nutritional value per 1 pepper. Calories, approximately 140 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 20 grams. Protein, 4 grams. Fat, 5 grams. Fiber, approximately 4 grams. Recipe number 4, fortune bread, meatless for Christmas Eve. Ingredients needed: flour, 600 grams, lukewarm water, 300 milliliters, oil, 4 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon, dry yeast, 7 grams, foil-wrapped fortunes, optional. Preparation method. Preparing the yeast mix: lukewarm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it activate for 10 minutes. Kneading the dough. Combine flour and salt, add the yeast mixture and oil, and knead into a soft dough. Proofing cover and let the dough rise 40 to 50 minutes until doubled. Shaping and adding the fortunes. Divide the dough into 7, 9, or 11 balls. Place a foil-wrapped fortune inside each, and arrange them in a round pan. Baking: brush with water or oil and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 35 to 40 minutes. Optionally cover with a cloth afterward to soften the crust. Nutritional value: per one slice if cut into 8 slices. Calories: approximately 180 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 30 grams. Protein: 5 grams. Fat: 4 grams. Recipe number 5. Braised sauerkraut with rice, meatless. Ingredients needed for approximately 6 servings. Sauerkraut: 1 small cabbage, approximately 1.2 kilograms. Rice: 200 grams, 1 cup. Onion: 1 large, approximately 120 grams. Oil: 60 milliliters, 4 tablespoons. Paprika: 1 tablespoon. Spices: black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon bay leaf, 1 to 2 pieces savory, 1 teaspoon. Mint: 1 teaspoon, optional. Preparation method. Preparing the sauerkraut. Cut the sauerkraut into thin strips. Rinse briefly if too salty. Sautéing: braising sauté, chopped onion in oil, add paprika, then the sauerkraut. Cook about 10 minutes until it softens. Adding the rice. Add the rice and stir well. Pour in about 500 milliliters of warm water or sauerkraut brine if it's not too salty. Add the spices: savory, mint, black pepper, and bay leaf. Braising until done. Let the dish simmer on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Nutritional value per one serving. Calories: approximately 210 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 28 grams. Protein: 4 grams. Fat: 9 grams. Fiber: approximately 5 grams. Recipe number 6. Pumpkin strudel, egg-free and dairy-free. Ingredients needed for 1 baking pan: approximately 28 centimeters. Phyllo sheets: 500 grams. Grated pumpkin: 800 grams. Sugar: 150 grams. Ground walnuts: 100 grams. Oil: 100 milliliters. Cinnamon: 1 teaspoon. Honey or powdered sugar, optional. Vanilla or clove, optional. Preparation method. Preparing the filling. Grate the pumpkin, sauté it in a little oil until soft, then add sugar, cinnamon, and walnuts. Let it cool slightly, shaping the pumpkin strudel. Brush 2 phyllo sheets with oil, add filling, and roll into a log. Arrange in a greased pan, spiral or rows, and repeat until all sheets and filling are used. Baking: brush the top with a little oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 35 to 40 minutes until golden. Let it cool slightly and dust with powdered sugar or brush with honey. Nutritional value per 1 slice if cut into 12 slices. Calories: approximately 210 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 32 grams. Protein: 3 grams. Fat: 8 grams. Fiber: approximately 3 grams. Recipe number 7. Compote from dried fruits, traditional for Christmas Eve. Ingredients needed for approximately 6 servings. Dried apples, 100 grams. Dried peaches, 100 grams. Dried pears, 100 grams. Prunes, 150 grams. Sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons to taste. Honey, 1 tablespoon, optional to taste, for richer aroma. Cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon. Water, 2 liters. Preparation method. Preparing the fruits, wash the dried fruits. If too firm, soak for 30 minutes. Cooking the compote. Boil 2 liters of water with the fruits, then simmer 40 to 50 minutes until soft and slightly thickened. Sweetening and adding aroma. Add sugar, cinnamon, and optional honey. Cook 5 more minutes, then cool. best served chilled. Nutritional value per one serving. Calories, approximately 170 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 43 grams. Protein, 1 gram. Fat, less than 1 gram. Fiber, approximately 5 grams. Wishing you a warm, cozy, and delicious holiday. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Merry Christmas!